Hello and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to disable email notifications in the Threads app on your Android phone. If you find the constant email alerts annoying or want to reduce distractions, this guide will help you turn them off quickly and easily. First, unlock your Android phone and open the Threads app. Next, make sure you're in the Profile section. You can get there by tapping the profile icon. Then, tap the two horizontal lines located in the top right corner. Now, select the Notifications option from the list. Now, find and tap on Email Notifications. Finally, choose the Off option to disable email notifications immediately. That's all for this quick tutorial on disabling email notifications in Threads. Following these simple steps will help you stay focused without unwanted emails. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.